Let's start with a new video in which we will discuss the questions on Aryans, the Vedic Age. What was the main difference between the Indus Valley civilization and Vedic civilization? Yes, viewer, the right answer of this question is that Indus Valley civilization was urban, whereas the Vedic civilization was rural. Which one of the following contains the Gayatri mantra? Rigved, Yajurved, Upanishad or Samved? Right answer is Rigved. The Gayatri mantra contained in the Rig Veda is dedicated to which deity? Agni, Maruti, Indra or Savitri? Right answer is D. Yes, Savitri. Which god lost his importance as the first deity during the later Vedic period? Varun, Indra, Agni, or Rudra? Right answer is Varun. Lost his importance as the first deity during the later Vedic period. Which is the most important divinity of Rig Veda? Maruti, Shakti, Agni, or Varun? Right answer is Varun is the most important divinity of Rig Veda. Which of the following god not worshipped during the time of Rig Vedic Aryan was Indra, Maruti, Agni, or Shiva? Right answer is Shiva was not worshipped during the time of Rig Vedic Aryans. Which among the following was the chief feature of Rig Vedic religion? Performance of sacrifices, worship of images, belief in existence of life after death, or predominance of female goddesses. Viewers, the right answer of this question is performance of sacrifices was the chief feature of Rig Vedic religion. The Vedic deity Indra was the god of wind, eternity, rain and thunder, or fire. Right answer is rain and thunder. In which one of the following does the word Gotra first appear with the meaning of a clan? Rigved, Atharvaved, Atheria Brahmana, or Arth Shastra? Right answer is Atharva Ved. Which of the following gives the correct chronological order of the Vedas? Rig, Sam, Atharv, Yajur. Rig, Sam, Yajur, Atharv. Rig and Sam together. Yajur and Atharva Ved together. All simultaneously. Right answer is Rig Ved first, then Sam Ved, Atharva Ved, and finally Yajurved. The learned lady who is said to have debated with the famous lawgiver Yajnavalkya was Gargi, Maitri, Kamala, or Kalindi. So right answer is Gargi. The expounder of yoga philosophy is Patanjali, Gautam, Jaimini, or Shankaracharya. Right answer is Patanjali. The mediator between man and gods, according to the Vedic people, was Indra, Marut, Agni, or Ashwins. Right answer is Agni. Who is the god of sky and water? Varun. With which Rig Ved associated? It is associated with hymns and prayers. Yajurveda associated with hymns and rituals. Samved associated with musical hymns, and Atharva Veda associated with charms and spell. Who among the following popularized the theory of Arctic region as the original home of Aryans? MacDonald, Max Muller, B.G. Tilak, or Kate? Right answer is B.G. Tilak. Which is the oldest Veda? Samved, Yajurved, Atharvaved, or Rigved? Rigved is the oldest Veda. Which one of the following was the main characteristics of later Vedic age? Burn system, tribal polity, caste system, food gathering practice? Yes, right answer is caste system was the main characteristics of the later Vedic age. The ninth mandala of the Rig Veda Samhita is devoted wholly to Urvashi and the heaven. Soma, the god who is named after the drink. Indra and his elephant, or gods related to plants and drugs? So right answer is Soma, the god who is named after the drink. How many mantras or hymns Rig Veda consist of? 512, 1028, 1024, 2000. Right answer is 1028. In the Rig Vedic society, which of the following was unknown? Polygamy, Parda system, polyandry, child marriage. Right answer is D. Child marriage. The Aryans at first settled in Sindh, Kashmir, Gujarat or Punjab. Right answer is Punjab. The word Vid from which Veda has been derived means God, knowledge, doctrine or holy. This is knowledge. The Vishnu Puran gives an account of Mauryan dynasty, the Satvahan, the Bardhanas or life in Indus Valley. Right answer is Mauryan dynasty. The ritualistic precepts attached to the hymns of the Veda were known as the Brahmanas, Samhitas, Upanishad or Arankas. Right answer is Brahmanas. The Aryans comes to India from Central Asia. What are Brahmanas? Brahmanas are the texts on sacrificial rituals. Next question is Rig Veda is divided into 10 books. Which among the following books is or are oldest? First, second, eighth, third, ninth, or second, ninth? Right answer is second and seventh. Which of the following is not a feature of Hinduism? Reverence for Veda, belief in God, emphasis on ritualism, or doctrine of Ahimsa? Right answer is D. Doctrine of Ahimsa.